Today is just a quick unboxing of a frozen meat delivery from Wild Fork. I've not ordered from them before, but somehow I ended up on their email list. They're having a sale on baby back ribs for $3 a pound. Locally, $3 a pound is a good sales price. Sometimes you can find them for $2 a pound, but that's pretty rare. So I took a chance at $3. There was a free shipping promo with my first order, and I also added a couple more cuts that we'll take a look at in this video. When the box came off the UPS truck, I noticed it was hot. I've gotten some meat deliveries from Omaha Steaks as gifts, and they always ship in thick, insulated coolers with dry ice. There was never any concern about the meat staying frozen. As I opened this box, there was no foam cooler, but there was a very insulated shipper inside the box that had a couple of bags of dry ice that were cold but melted. Most of the meat still seemed frozen, except for the hot dogs that were about 90% frozen. You'll see when I get into the box, though, that even though the cardboard box itself is not insulated, they did use some shipping insulation and dry ice to help the process. So all that heavy padding is on the top, bottom, and all the sides. That's insulated for shipping. Those were 2 bags of dry ice that were empty, but mostly everything was pretty much still frozen solid. There's 2 racks of baby back ribs. I've come to learn that 3 pounds is a perfect weight. This first one was 3.58 pounds, so a little bit heavy. The next one I believe was 3.35 pounds, so still a little bit overweight, not terrible. Next one was a beef eye of round roast. That should also be 3 pounds, and this was 2.99 pounds, so pretty good. Then this was a picanha roast, which is one of my favorite steaks. And then just a little filler here. Their beef hot dogs got very good reviews. I figured I would try those. Out of all the meats, the hot dogs were about 90% frozen, not perfectly frozen. I called them up just to see what they would say about that. They were very apologetic. They were willing to refund the whole order. I said that's really not necessary. A little bit concerned about the hot dogs, though, since they weren't fully frozen and the dry ice was gone by this point. So they ended up refunding the price of the hot dogs. They said it's probably best to throw them out. But overall, I think this was a pretty positive experience, and I look forward to grilling and smoking some of these meats. Hopefully I could get a few good videos out of it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.